Okay, guys, I gotta make this a quick one. Quick one. I got no shirt on here. I gotta mow the grass. So, this is gonna be real quick though. Here it is. It's to me, Theron Carmichael. I'm not gonna do before and afters. I don't feel the need to do that, and I need to mow my damn lawn. Oh, we taped it on here like seriously taped on. Here they are. 4 beautiful pennies. I'm gonna give you the money, but I'm gonna give you the money. There's one. Here's the receipt. I don't know if you can see this. $8.67. So these are $4.50 or $2.15 a piece. This is a $2 coin. It's a $2 coin. It looks like he cuts these out of the sheets like I do. That is the way to do it. 2, 3. I don't know if I'm even going to do all of them. I just want to show you guys what I'm doing. These coins are in really good shape. I mean, they're in good shape. I can see a chip. I can see a chip on this one on the paint. They got paint on them. Somebody chipped the paint on that one. $18.98. I don't think that one has any paint. I like the $18.98. I don't think that has any paint on it. It might have some coin ease. No paint. Nothing on this one. $18.98. So only this one has been painted. Boy, and they really painted it too, man. You can see it. So they're all $18.98s. So this one may actually get, I may have to do more to get that damn paint off there. Set it off to the side. This one is the prettiest one. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to this. I'm going to go with the same thing. Valve grinding compound. Gently. I don't want to take all the patina off this. I just want the crap off. I want the sweat, the human skin particles, the dirt taken off of this, and it's going to leave nothing but clean patina. Awesome. I am going to leave the dirt and stuff on the United States around the outside. That's fine. Beautiful penny. Beautiful. Man, the details is awesome. Put a little bit of grinding compound on that. Rub it around. Just rub that around a little bit. There we go. Get all that dirt off of it. This one I really should probably use. I probably should use the popsicle stick. Go around the edge. Go around the edge. That's it. That's all that needs. Here, I'll show it to you. Besides, I'm going to go wash it with soap and water. There it is. That's all I got to do. It's got its patina on it. I didn't take the patina off. Don't have much patina on it. I guess it's been, it hasn't been exposed to water, air, and all the other things. Do this one too. Softly, gently, using the valve cleaning. Valve grinding compound is made to grind the valves in cars. to make them airtight. And so it doesn't have acid in it because you don't want to be putting acid in your car engine, you know. It's a petroleum-based product, I would imagine. I can't tell you that for sure. But it seems like it's a petroleum. And petroleum, gasoline, oil, and that sort of stuff is actually good for metal. I might wax these when I get done to seal off any microfractures to make sure that no oxidation occurs under the surface, the face. This one's a little tougher, but it looks good. I like it just like that. That's good enough. These are too good for me to be like taking a grinder or a pocket knife. Well, I don't know about these other two though. They've been painted. These two right here have not been painted with antiquing glaze. Guys, using that antiquing glaze on your pennies makes them look like crap if you ask me. Makes them look like somebody spit chocolate on them. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm satisfied. Let's see if we can get this off. I mean, really, that's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's got the patina on it. Beautiful. Beautiful coins. And I can look at these with my high power lens and I don't see any scratches. I know what you guys are talking about, me scratching coins. That's just ridiculous. This one, see, it's not, the paint is thick. And that means there is some, yeah, that's not going to do it. That's not going to do it. It's a beautiful coin. It's going to be really pretty when I get done with it. But this is not going to be enough. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So I guess instead of these being worth $8 now they're worth $4. But I don't care. Because they are beautiful. And that's all I really care about. Because they're my pennies. And I don't want no ugly pennies. I just don't have any use for ugly pennies. I tell you though, I went to my LCD. I went to Phil's coin shop the other day. And they had a penny. Probably looked about like this one. Right here. Price tag $9, and it definitely had been painted. $9 for a penny at the local coin dealer. I told her I was cleaning pennies. She said, "Uh-oh," and I said, "Yeah, well, pay $1 for a penny, and you clean it. It's worth 50 cents." And she gave me a dirty look. And my pennies are better than her pennies. You got to use a magnifying glass to figure out what date it is. When you got to use a magnifying glass to see what date it is, that's just not right. Yeah, I'm going to have to... these two, I am going to have to use something to get this paint. You know, I thought about using fingernail polish remover, but I know fingernail polish remover is going to damage the actual bronze, copper, or whatever you want to call it. I think it's bronze. Clean the edge. I don't know. I may not do any more than that besides wash them. Yeah, these two, these ain't bad. These two right here, They're going to need a little bit of something more. These two right here are fine with me. They're shiny. They got a little bit of darkness around the edges. That's okay. They're shiny enough to shine. Actually, you know, I don't know. That may be it. No, I don't think I'm going to do any more than that, except for wash them with some soap and water to get the, ooh, this one. You know what I'm going to do after I get done mowing my lawn? I'm going to put some more compound on. See, it took that chip. That chip is gone now. It took that out. I'm going to do these two a little bit more with my fingers. That's it. Those are beautiful. Great. Those are awesome. Whether you like it or not. JJ Moneymaker. I'm out in the lawn mowing my grass. See ya.